so welcome back to LYNQ's YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be back here.
We're so happy to have you.
Thank you. Today we're going to be making baked apples, which is right in time. I'm actually going apple picking on Friday with my daughter.
I love apple picking.
If you know her, Summer, say hi. We'll add the Empowdered so that we have even more fruits and vegetables added into the recipe. We'll start by coring the apples. I don't know how good I'm going to be at this, but oh, pretty easy. Oh my god, superstar.
And you go all the way.
I just kind of pushed it through, like keep pushing. Yeah, there you go.
So for those of you who have been following our channel, we're so happy to have you. And for those of you who are not following our channel and that just happened to bounce on here by mistake or by coincidence, please follow and subscribe and comment and share it with all your friends. And at the end of this video, you're going to have the full recipe.
We're going to mix in our oats, the brown sugar, cinnamon, and then we'll mix that. Here, you can start to mix that, and then I'm just gonna make sure this butter is like softened enough. I'm gonna break it up a little bit into pieces. The best ingredient of all is the Empowdered because you won't taste it, you won't see it, and you're getting all the added benefits. So I'm gonna put in, I think 1 tablespoon should be enough. Like I'll make like this is like a heaping tablespoon.
One big one. Perfect.
There you go. And then once that's all combined, we will just spoon the mixture inside the, you can see like in the core that we removed, and pop it in the oven for 30 minutes.
Amazing. So good. I'm so excited to try this.
I'm so happy. They really came out so nice.
So
it's also a really nice thing to bring to someone's house. If you're going for dinner, like maybe with a bottle of wine, like don't stop bringing the bottles of wine.
It's not that great of a gift, but you know.
It's just a nice fall dessert.
That's so pretty.
Yeah, I think, let's see
if it...
Oh, it's so soft, it cuts even just with my fork. But look how nice it is on the inside.
Oh, it's so nice and soft. Amazing.
So good.
Thank you so much, Stephanie, for coming again. And don't forget to subscribe.
And like this video, comment on this video, and be sure to send us any recipes that you want to see us cook with the Empowered LYNQ product, because it's seriously amazing and you can't even taste it. So amazing.